Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a link in TikTok bio without 1,000 followers. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up your particular TikTok app that you have installed. Once you open up your app, this is how the home section gonna look like. Now when you go to your profile, and if you haven't reached 1,000 followers, and if you would like to add a certain link to your account, then what you have to do is you have to go to the edit profile option. Right over here you can see the edit, and here you can see you have the section of bio and the links. So when you go to the add a link section, it will automatically find Instagram and YouTube. You can tap on add and directly add your YouTube channel or Instagram account's link. If you have any other links that you would like to add, certainly you can go to your bio and can make sure that you paste your link right over there and save it. That's how your link will be showcased on the bio and you're good to go. That's basically how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.